Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we have a very useful guide for anyone who uses the Impulse app and wants to get in touch with their support team. In this video, I will show you exactly how to contact support directly from your phone. First, open the Impulse app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom right and the Tap on Profile. Then, look at the top right corner of the screen and tap on the Settings icon. After that, scroll down and select the option that says Contact Support. Next, you will see options to send your message through Gmail, Outlook, or other email services. Choose the email service you prefer to use. Then, write your message explaining the issue or question you have about the Impulse app. Finally, after reviewing your message, click on the Send button to submit your request to the support team. By following these steps, you can ensure that your questions or concerns are delivered directly to Impulse support and receive assistance efficiently. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.